The Progressive Era, which began in the 1880s, ushered in many new freedoms as women moved to large cities, took jobs in offices and factories, and lived in boarding houses. Women were forming their own clubs dedicated to effecting social change. They lobbied for better sanitation, libraries, public parks, and pasteurization of milk. And they now spoke out freely and publicly about the need for change, not just change that would enhance their own lives, but change that would benefit all of society in areas like health and safety. At the federal level, progressives were successful in passing the 18th Amendment, which prohibited the sale of alcohol, and the 19th Amendment, which enfranchised women.